Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into Roblox on desktop or the mobile app. Make sure you use the account whose location you want to change. Once signed in, open Settings and tap Account Info. This is where country or region appears. If prompted, re-enter your password or approve 2FA. This prevents accidental changes and secures your account. Do not jump to VPN tricks yet. First, complete the official in-app change, so Roblox records the new region in your profile. Now edit the country/region field directly. Click the drop-down, choose the correct country, and then confirm by entering your password when requested. Once you save, Roblox updates your account metadata. This can affect storefront currency and localized content. If you are changing region due to moving, make sure any billing methods and address data match the new country. If Roblox rejects the change, check for active subscriptions or linked payment methods that must be removed first. Finish by logging out and back in to see the new region take effect in your profile and storefront. If the change doesn't appear, clear the app cache or reinstall Roblox. Sometimes cached data shows the old setting. Make sure to update payment info if purchases fail. If you encounter errors, such as account locks or region-related billing blocks, contact Roblox support with your account details, explain the change, and provide any receipts. They can resolve permission or payment conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.